Alright guys, we're gonna go out today. It's my Friday before I go back to the last day of my weekend, right before I go back to work, so I get this last ride in with my boy Sokha. I'm gonna go straight over there and then get some gas afterwards.
Yeah.
Alright, I just made it to my boy's house with these beautiful bikes. This Yama's about to get gangbanged by 2 Hondas right now.
It's 1,000.
Just the way he likes it. He had to throw in it was 1,000. What? Yeah, it's 1,000.
Cause you gotta play catch up.
We don't even want to be up there with you. That's the whole point. But yeah, man, we're gonna go hit up this place called Del Puerto Canyon. It's pretty cool. First time there. I heard it's pretty ugly, but we'll be all right. Look at this. We got battle damage. See that?
On my bike too.
Battle damage. Look at this thing. This thing has none. You know why? It's not the fact that he's good. It just, you know. He just, you know. I don't know. He's good. It's too fast.
Yours isn't that bad.
Whoa! Man, I love that damn sound of that R1 though. Crazy. It's crazy. Alright, everyone looks good. Just gotta be safe today. I don't know where we're going. Never been on this road. Well, you're in the wrong, homie. Go. Let's go. After all the chaos, we made it to Chevron to get some gas. Oh yeah. Meeting some new friends. This guy got a Jixer right here. It's the 07.
I like this guy. Sokha. I like him. So on my first crash, I was
So this dude's only like 17, which is good though, so he can learn the right way. But he's way more experienced than me, for sure. Here's a battle hopper right here. But we're gonna get going soon. We're gonna head that direction. All right, guys. We're here at Del Puerto, making some videos from this corner right here. But look at this day. See all this color? I can't wait to do this bike. Military tan. So it's gonna be pretty dope, I hope. Check this out though. Wow. We're just waiting for the guys to come back since we're doing some little flybys, little cornering on this bend right here. Here they come. Let's see if they hit this thing hecka hard. Careful, Sokha. There's a car coming. Man, that thing sounds nasty though. Listen to this. Woo! Right here, man. Take some photos right here. Sokha trying to move this thing.
Should I put it right next to it, right here? Or?
More in front of it, so I'm gonna get it. We'll cut that out. We'll cut that out. We'll cut that out.
I can't hear you.
Like right there, right there, right there, right there. That's good. Yeah,
I can't hear you. I have to turn off the bike.
Hey, alright guys, from this point on the audio does cut out, so I'm not really sure what happened, but go ahead and check out the rest of the video. I'm just gonna put some beats on and rush through the whole ride, and everyone made it home safe. It was like a 5-hour ride, so just enjoying. Thanks for checking it out.
All right, that's the end of our trail. Stop talking, I'm talking. That's the end of our trail. Met some new people today.
They don't even like you.
That's our fucking Master Yoda right there. So we're gonna go our separate ways right now. They're gonna go back down to 17 in Santa Cruz. Holy shit, did you see that bird?
Yeah, dude, we're taking 9.
Wow.
9, curving down, and then doing 17 back up.
Yeah, I ain't doing that yet, but we will. We'll plan it out.
Okay, we'll understand.
We'll do it. We'll do it. But we're gonna go home, get some grub. I'm gonna try and keep up with this guy.